Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm reviewing Ghiradelli chocolate premium brownie mix that you can microwave in a mug. And it's the dark chocolate flavor. Now I've already put it in the cup I'm going to use. So you just put the packet in, then 4 teaspoons of water, stir it, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then you stir it again. So stir again. I have to get a little spatula. And a spatula to get the rest of the batter off the spoon. Looks good, but of course I have to microwave it once I get this all taken care of. Okay. Then it says microwave on high for 65 seconds. And cook times may vary based on microwave wattage. Refer to carton for details. Cool for 3 minutes before eating. So I'm going to put it in for 65 seconds and yeah. Okay, I will be back and show you what it looks like after it comes out. Okay, I'm back after the 65 seconds and it's kind of hot, but that's what it looks like. And I'll let it cool down for 3 minutes and then I will review it. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. The timer just went off and it's still somewhat hot. But yeah. It looks kind of weird. Oh, well, ooh, it's nice and soft. Looks like an actual brownie. Hmm. Tastes like a brownie. It was made in the microwave. Not bad. It just tastes like regular chocolate to me. Mm. Mm. I like it. It also has a consistency of a brownie, too. Like the texture of it and the taste. It's really good. I recommend you go out and buy these. They have different flavors, which I'll review at some point. And yeah, this one was dark chocolate, of course. And there, if you've got it, you know how I did a review on the Duncan Hines microwavable, I think, cakes or something like that. It's in the aisle where those are. And yeah, they had, I think, 3 other flavors besides this one. And yeah, I really like these. If you guys like chocolate and you want, a sweet little treat that, takes just a minute or so in the microwave, 5 minutes at the most to prepare, and you should try this. But you have to make sure you actually stir it really good in a mug though. I'd get this again. I guess it is a dark chocolate flavor. I guess I can't really tell though. In my opinion, this might be like more of a double chocolate taste. Oh. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really love this video, share it with your friends. And comment down below. I like your feedback. And right down below is where the subscribe button is if you want to see more of my videos and subscribe to my channel. And right next to the subscribe button is the notification bell. If you want to be notified of when I post new videos, you can hit that too. And have a lovely day or night.